What's good, everybody? This is Grill God back here with another video. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys my review and unboxing of the Frieza Yung-1 from the Dragon Ball and Adidas collab. As you can see, I got a size 11. I think the Z and a trending. Side of those on the Frieza and Goku. So getting right into the shoe, the upper is comprised of some soft suede material. There's white suede, some purple and pink, and some white mesh. The purple upper of the shoe is actually reflective with 3M material on it. I don't believe the pink part is, and then right above that there's a white mesh and that small red nub. Medial side of the shoe has a pink sort of corduroy material, and then right above that there's a bit of a off-white section of suede. Tongue of the shoe has an F representing Frieza, and that Adidas logo is like a light purple. Insole of the shoe has some Dragon Ball and Adidas branding. Inside the tongue there was also a Dragon Ball, I forgot to show that. Outsole of the shoe has some purple and some other light purple colors, as long as that torsional support. So all in all, I think this shoe is pretty dope. I didn't really like the Goku one, and I don't think I'll be getting any of the other colorways, so this was pretty much the only one I liked. And there's also those purple nubs on the back that represent Frieza's kind of armor plating. Forgot to mention that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.
I ain't had no chaser like 6 years, I'm growing up. Bottom girls and the waitresses come after work like bottoms up. Most girls wanna tie me up, but all the freak hoes want me to tie them up. I'm so drunk I might